Good morning, loves. Good morning. Your girl is here and I am having my morning cup of coffee, you guys, and I am getting ready to wrap some Christmas presents for my nieces. And I found these really cute little acrylic boxes. They are so cute. And so I'm going to make them some favors to take home with them for Christmas Eve. I got the Jolly Ranchers lollipop candy pack, and then I found this kitty mix with suckers and like other types of little candy in there. I'm about to open this up, and I also have these really cute little tags that I found from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, your girl is about to do that. And then I've got a couple of little presents over here that I'm gonna wrap for some of my nieces, you guys. So I'm so excited. 'Tis the season to be jolly.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with.
I am here at my job interview, y'all. I have a job interview today. What the heck? Oh gosh, I don't even know if this is the place for me or not. Oh Lord, they got different people looking a little crazy there. Oh Lord, I don't know.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Okay, y'all, so I made it inside of this store and I'm trying to find a couple of gifts so that I can stay focused and stuff. I'm going to turn this camera around and let y'all see some stuff, and then I'll hit y'all back up. Oh my god, y'all, look at this sweater right here. I love that. That is super cute. I mean, that would be a nice gift for somebody. 30% off. Probably get more than that off of that. Well, this is cute. This Calvin Klein little purple jogging suit. Dude, I might get my mama one of these because this is pretty. I think I might get her this. Oh, they got it in this cream suit. This is a cute little jacket there. I like that. Morning, loves. Good morning, you guys. I am headed out to a doctor's appointment, y'all. So it's my first doctor's appointment in my new city. So hopefully I am going to like my doctor, y'all, because I had such a great relationship with the doctor that I had for the past, I don't even know how many years. So that's really good. So yeah, so I got on this cute little tam. I don't even know if you guys can see it. I got this cute little tam on, y'all, and I found this cute little sweater at Walmart, y'all. It is so cute. I love it. Walmart be having, don't sleep on Walmart, y'all. Walmart be having some cute little looks in there, some cute little bops, as my kids say. It's a bop. So yeah, this is what I got on this morning. Feeling right wintry, right Christmassy. Oh god, this is so awesome, you guys. My doctor's office is like right here, so I am about to go in and I will hit you guys back up once I get finished. And then leaving the doctor's office, you guys, I have to watch. Your girl's gotta watch her sugar, so I'm not playing around with it. So I went and looking up the drinks to get at Starbucks that are friendly for those of us who have to watch our sugar. So hold on. So instead of taking the expressway, y'all, I'm gonna travel on the back roads to, y'all come on across. They got a Dunkin' Donuts here too, which I've never been to. Y'all, they just coming over in front of the car. Jesus, Lord have mercy. Oh child, this need a little more sugar. It's not bad, but I missed my other drink. Oh, we gonna make this one do what it do.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain.
Mom, where you at?
Yeah,
Where you at?
I'm just now leaving. I'm leaving Walmart.
Okay, you was in Walmart. You look cute. You by yourself?
Yeah, I'm by myself. I had to get the boost. The largest people's out here.
Say hey to the vlog.
Hello, everybody. Merry Christmas and blessed New Year.
You look so pretty on there. I had to put you because you look so pretty. Mama got, look, she looking like me today, y'all. She got on her little tam hat right there. Don't daddy like them Queen Anne chocolate covered cherry things? What he like?
He likes dark chocolate. If you buy him any kind of candy, it's gotta be dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. Like he like dark chocolate and sea salt. Like
No, he just like plain dark chocolate. And in with peanut butter too, or the dark chocolate. But he likes the dark chocolate.
Okay.
Because he claims that's supposed to be more healthier chocolate, so I get the dark chocolate.
I came with y'all too. Y'all hilarious. Oh my god. Okay, y'all. So I made it home. I picked up some things from Target. From Target. I picked up some things from Walmart to finish up, just like some gift wrapping stuff and stuff like that. Got a couple of gifts for some people. I can't say because they may be watching. I picked up some little bags. So look, my battery is about to die, and I left my charger inside of my husband's truck. So therefore, I'm gonna have to film from my phone. So I'm gonna hit you guys back up in just a little bit. Hey, y'all, I got some of this classic roast, the medium rich smooth. I like this one. Just to put on the bar, just to put on the little coffee bar to have for the guests, y'all. I got some of that. And then, y'all, I ended up getting, I gotta show y'all something cute. My little niece, her name is Allie, you guys. I found this. I thought this was super cute for her. It's a little head wrap, y'all. I thought that was super cute, but it goes for her little outfit. But I'm not gonna share her outfit. So I got her that. And then, y'all, I got some things to stuff up the stockings. I'm gonna make some Christmas cards. Y'all, I just got a little bit of everything going on here. My husband, I got this for his stocking, y'all. Look at this. This is some like gumballs. Look how big they are. I got these for his stocking. Thought they would be super cute for him. So that's what I'm doing now, putting some gifts together. I got a little cute little outfit for my niece there. As y'all can see, that's gonna match really well with her little thing. That's for her. Let me see. I got some more stuff because I'm gonna put together some Christmas cards and all of that. So when I'm done, I will share with you guys my little prep stuff. I put some little gifts together right there. Hopefully people are not watching my channel, so they don't know. So I got some little gifts together. There's one in there. I gotta put a tag on this. I got my dad a little gift card holder to go with. Y'all, look at this cute little gift card holder I got from my dad. Super cute with the cute little Farm Fresh truck on there. Yes, it's so cute. I got a little gift card for him.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on the mistletoes, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on the mistletoes, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Okay, love. So I got all of my nieces. Well, this isn't all of them. This is the majority of them, though. Wayne and I have more girls than we do boys in our family, and we absolutely love it. So I wanted to make sure I added them in this vlog since this is a Christmas vlog, and they are here about to help Auntie Nina bake some cookies. That's what we about to do. So we're gonna go around and y'all say hey to everybody, okay? Say hey to my people, okay? Look, y'all, we got the twins there. There go twins right there. So go ahead, tell them your name.
Maya, Chrissy, Larry, Baby,
Girl.
Audrey, Malaya, Neil, Miss Debbie, Toriana.
No, say Merry Christmas to everybody. Oh God. The girls. What y'all saying about Uncle Wayne?
Tengo el acento, la agarrarle, siento a la barrera, pero van a hacer disabilidad.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
I love opening
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
You fighting sleep, Micah?
I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Okay. Merry Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day 2021. And my husband and I are off to go pick up some family. But I wanted to come on and close out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage of what I did. Again, I was able to get in preparing for Christmas and y'all, just some days in my life, y'all. I wanted to share that with you guys. Ended out this Christmas season, this holiday season, and going over into the new year. So I'm gonna post this vlog, and you guys will probably see this probably on tomorrow, you guys. I'll probably have it out on the 26th, which would be, what's today, baby? Saturday. I'll probably have it out tomorrow on Sunday evening, and you guys will be able to watch. And I hope you guys had an amazing holiday, amazing Christmas, that you guys enjoyed your family and your friends, and that you got all that your heart desired. Yeah, so we are burning this road up as always. And I don't even know, y'all, this camera, I'm trying to fix the settings on it. I'm still learning how to work it, but it's quite dark to me, super dark. But there's a baby there. And yeah, so we had an amazing morning. Oh my God, last night was absolutely phenomenal. So I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that I was able to get from a little bit of our Christmas Eve. We had family over, our very first Christmas together, and our very first Christmas in our new house. And it was phenomenal. Very, very, very peaceful, and just a lot of fun, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that footage too as well. And I will hit you guys back up in the next vlog. I think my next vlog is going to be behind the scenes travel with me. That's probably going to be my next vlog, I'm thinking. So whatever it is, you guys know, as always, I'll bring you guys along for the journey. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and become a part of my amazing growing YouTube family. I would love to have y'all right here with me. So yes,
that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been